vlog, y'all saw like I had went to Lowe's a couple days ago to get some boxes. We're still working on that project. My hair needs 2 little Minnie Mouse puffs. I'm going to get my hair braided. I'm going to get some knotless braids. This will be my first time with knotless braids. And I'm going to get like a little boho aesthetic with it. I don't know if I want the true boho braids or just like the boho ends. So yeah, I'm going to take y'all with me. Camera is charged. I want to make sure I'm not late. So I'm going to get on the road and head to my stylist's house now. And I'm going to make sure to have my camera with me while she's doing my hair. Because the last 2 times I went, my camera has died. So that's where we're headed. That's what we're doing today. And then while I'm in her chair getting my hair done, I'm going to make a list of all the things that I need to accomplish as far as moving, as far as some Meaghan McKinley stuff and other things. So I will see you all soon. You guys, this is Ash. She's doing my hair.
Hey everybody.
I'm going to put her information on here. She's in the RDU area and I'm getting some knotless braids, y'all.
Great knotless for you.
They're pretty fire right now.
They are.
I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. But I just wanted to show y'all. I'm about to probably take a bath or shower. My room is a mess, but just wanted y'all to get into the braids. They long. They're booty linked. So, but I love them. These, y'all about to see these for a minute, okay? Because these about to take me through, hun. But Ash did an amazing job per usual. Y'all, she's done the ponies. She's done braids. I'm gonna probably get the little Nipsey braids with the buns when I take these out. But these lasted me at least until my girls trip with my line sisters in August. So what's up, you guys? Welcome to another day on the vlog. I'm headed to go get my nails done. It's like I get my keys on Sunday. It's Monday. And I have my friend, she's coming into town. So it's just like a busy week. I'm doing some maintenance stuff this week. I get waxed on Wednesday. I gotta get my toes done maybe Thursday morning. So, and then on top of that, gotta keep up with work. So, with that being said, I'm about to take this drive. I'm trying somebody closer to where I'm moving to. Y'all like my glasses? I got these from Fashion Nova. Closer to where I'm moving to, just to try her out. Hopefully I like her, but if not, I really think I'm about to just try to do this whole nail thing on my own. So we're gonna see how this goes. But anywho, let me get going because it is a little ways away. It's about 35 minutes away. So yeah, I'll see if she's cool with me recording. I know I keep telling you I'm gonna take y'all with me recording, but I just get little snippets. I get caught up or whatever. So let's see. Hopefully I like her work. Fingers crossed, y'all. I had to go get my coffee for this one because the email I just got. So my new apartment complex emails me this morning and lets me know that I can't move into the 15th. And it probably, to me, it may not even be the 15th. So on Saturday, I had drove by there. What did I do Saturday? Saturday, I got my hair done. And I just, something in my spirit said, just go drive by. You know, when you be just excited to move. So I went all the way out there, drove by there. And I'm seeing they ain't even got the doors on half the building I'm supposed to move in. So I'm like, okay, they must gonna make some miracles happen in this week. So she emails me this morning and was like, hey, we just got news from the builders that your apartment won't be ready to move into on the 1st. We can put you in building 2. It'll be a before plan and we'll still honor your price. Yeah, y'all will honor my price because y'all giving me a floor plan that is like 30 square feet less than what I had. So I know I want my 419. Okay, I want my apartment number. Like, I don't want that one. I didn't even like the way it looked. It had a detached island, but like I had a full laundry room. And this one would only have like the laundry in the closet. And then it would be, I just didn't like the layout. So y'all know I'm about to leverage that like a mug because I done already paid my first month's rent. So what y'all gonna do about that? Am I still gonna get my gift card, my $750 gift card? Let's remember that because when I signed up, they had $1,000 gift card. So now y'all really gonna have to give me a gift card because they didn't say I could get the gift card, but I'm definitely gonna put that in the email. So y'all, I'm about to see how I'm gonna milk this because that's the inconvenience. I booked my movers. I booked for when my internet is supposed to come. I was just about to call and turn the cable on, and I already paid my renter's insurance. Like, WTF, now I'm paying an extra month on renter's insurance. Well, an extra 15 days. I could have had it start on the 15th. Like, no, y'all knew that building was not gonna be done. The building didn't look done when I went over there a couple weeks ago, and so I went over there Saturday because I'm like, oh, 1 week. Still got the little stickers on the windows, like they still putting in lights and fixtures and things like that. No, I want what I want because I kind of like where my position of my apartment is. I like the size. It was a bigger size. So yeah. So yeah. Why as adults we always gotta consult with our parents? Because I'm like, Ma, and I can't wait till my mama get off work today. Because I'm be like, Ma, let me tell you what happened and how we can get milk this, hun. But yeah, y'all, that's my day. I didn't even show y'all my nails. They look exactly the same on each hand. I'm trying to make sure my coffee doesn't spill. But this is what the finished product was. So cute. So cute. I love them. I never do anything like this, so I'm like in love with them. But the best thing is, y'all know I said Shar is coming into town. I have to worry about moving and maneuvering, moving stuff while she's here, so we can really just enjoy her trip. The thing is, I done took off time from work for this moving, everything. So now I gotta adjust my time. I'll just let my boss and them know, like, that's what has to happen. Annoyed. So annoyed. Anywho, let me go on and make up my bed and stuff because I gotta get ready for work soon. And I will talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? This gonna be a quick vlog. I'm in the car waiting. When I say something. Y'all, I've been watching too much TikTok. But yeah, when they tell you 9:30, the nail shop, the people don't even pull up to 9:29. But I'm just getting my feet done because y'all know I got my nails done. They real cute or whatever. But ooh, y'all, I just want to close. Like, this is gonna be hella short. I'm like, how much battery I got left? It's gonna be hella short because I'm closing this out because I'm picking up Shar from the airport today. She gets in. So then, like, I'll just have a fun weekend vlog, like a girls weekend vlog. I don't want to, like, tag on this. So y'all know the update with my apartment. They done pushed me back. And I'm just like, oh my God. Like, I'm so excited to move. Like, I'm just hoping, like, this is for me. But, you know, God works in mysterious ways. They're gonna prorate my month and everything, but like I said, I want that $750 gift card, so I definitely need to send them. They're gonna change my moving date on my lease because I'm like, I got a 13-month lease. I want a 13-month lease, so we'll see what that's looking like once they are able to draft that up and send that over. Yeah, it's just something laid upon my heart this morning that I just wish people would stop comparing themselves to other people. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm speaking more so from like a family dynamic. I have a family member that constantly like compares their child or wants their child to be like other people. Like, oh, so and so does that, so and so does that too, you and so are so alike. Like, let that girl really needs to understand she is who she is, and honestly, she's her mother's child. She acts just like you. But it's hard for people to hold up the mirror to themselves. But like, it does not help that you keep comparing your child to somebody else. Like, it could be very detrimental to their growth, their individuality, and who they are destined to be. Like, because you want them to do XYZ like somebody else. Like, people really got to travel their own path. Like, really, like, whether it's hard, ups, downs, failures, like, people got to do that because you got to have that equilibrium that you balance out and you really start to come into who you are. And I feel like when you don't get the opportunity to do that, or if you're coddled, or things like that. And honestly, there is nothing wrong with being, I guess, spoiled in the sense, or, that ain't got nothing to do with it. I was about to go off on a tangent. That ain't even got nothing to do with that, to be honest. But it really hinders you from your personal growth. Also, people just have a natural independence. I'm a person that just has a natural independence for life, for the things I want. I've always been like that. So sometimes I just think you're just born with certain character traits. Sorry, my mouth ashy. I've been just talking. Certain character traits, but every time I hear this person say that, and they say it like often, and like if you like something, they like something. Oh, you like sushi, so and so, she like that sushi too. I'm like, I'm a millennial. A lot of us like sushi. Like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I'm just not trying to go too much into detail because people be watching my vlogs and stuff like that. But that can be really detrimental to somebody's personal growth in adulthood and things like that if all their life they've been trying to be compared to somebody else. Like, everybody's not the same, and everybody's growth levels are different, and everybody's life is going to be different. I feel like you got to meet people where they are and stop putting these expectations on people if that is never going to be something they're going to be able to meet, or if that's something they just don't have a desire to do. And sometimes, that's very hard for some people. It takes people a long time to find their passions or purpose or what they really want to do. And some people, unfortunately, never get a chance to explore that or reach that level. But yeah, like, if you got somebody in their life, if you're that family member and people keep doing that to you, like, stand in your truth, stand in who you are, and start making strides for yourself. There's also when you have to set personal boundaries, mental boundaries, and like really tap into who you are and get your spiritual development together, and just evolve in that way. But that's enough for my little morning rant. But that was just something I keep thinking about because this person keeps saying it, and I'm just like, I'm wondering what the person on the other side is feeling like, because that's your parent. And they're saying this. I know it can't be good, but some people see, especially some parents, they just see what they see. They don't see it from another perspective. And if you try to confront them or something like that, their feelings get hurt. My mother can be there sometimes as well. But I don't have no problem telling my mama, hey, X, Y, Z, this doesn't work for me. And I need you to respect that. She kind of be, because she usually thinks she right most of the time. But in the end, after she got her feelings, she respects it. Because I'm grown. I'm almost 30 years old. Like, come on, chill out. Chill out, okay? Y'all, it's 9:30. These people still ain't here. I think they just pulled in. Yep, one just pulled in. Anyhow. That's it for my little car rant. I'm about to close this out, y'all. And we about to have some fun. I'm not gonna think about moving. It may be some moving though in that series. Like, I think Shar is pretty much down for anything. We're definitely, I ain't gonna tell y'all all that. I'm gonna introduce it in the next vlog. Period. Bye. Love you all. Thanks for tuning in, and smooches.